Hello friends, let's start solving questions on the whole chapter. We'll solve some few questions so that we can see if we are able to apply our concepts or not. It will be somewhat, it won't be that much easy questions, it will be somewhat difficult. But don't worry, I'm here, so it will be easy. So there is a polygon which is given and it's equally means it's symmetric polygon. Okay? Each angle of the polygon is equal. Fine. Now what I am doing, I am extending two sides of the polygon. Okay, I have extended two sides of the polygon. One is the base and one is this side, and I am forming an angle here, which I am naming it as x. Okay, so you have to say what is the value of x. That's all. Fine. So if you want to solve this question, so what you can do is you can pause the video, then you can solve it on your own, and then see if it is right or wrong. So you can pause the video now, and you can see. I'm starting. I'm going to start solution. Fine. As we know that this is a polygon, not the polygon. Fine. Solution. Let me do. So polygon has the sum of the interior angle of the polygon will be, it will be equals to 180 degree times n. What is n? N is phi minus 2. So it will be 180 degrees times, which will be 540. This is the first derivation. Sum of the each angle. Let me name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum of each angle, sum of all the angle is 540 degree. Now we know that all the angles are same. So the value of one angle, can I write it 540 divided by 5? So it will give value of, because all the five angles are same. So value of one angle will be equals to 540 divided by 5, and that will be equals to 100 in 100 plus 8, 108 degrees. So each angle results into 108 degrees. Okay, that means what I can say, that every angle, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, and angle 5, all are equal to 180 degrees. And if I will add them, they will sum up to 540. Okay. So now what I will zoom in the figure, and now see here, are you able to see a triangle? Yes. So if we get to know that what are these two angles, then we can say that okay, these two angles, if we get these two angles, then sum of the interior angle of the triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, and what we can do is we can get a difference of these, sum of these two angles minus 180 degree minus sum of these two angles. Let me name it 4 dash and 5 dash. Okay, this is the angle 4 dash, this is the angle 5 dash. So what will be the 4 dash and 5 dash angle? So it is very simple, that these both, that 4 and 4 dash angle, these both angles are supplementary angles, right? The sum will be 180 degrees. So this angle, if this angle is 108 degrees, so what will be this angle? So this angle will be 180 degrees minus 108 degrees. That will equals to 72 degrees. So this is 72 degree, and this is also 70 degree. Why this is also 72 degree? Because in it is the same case with phi and phi dash. They both are supplementary, and angle phi is 108 degrees. So angle phi dash will be 72 degree. Now x plus 72 plus 72 will be equals to 180 degrees. So can I write x plus 72 plus 72 equals to 180 degrees? Now can I write x equals to 180 minus x equals to 180 minus 142 degrees? That will be equals to 38. So what is the value of x? X equals to 38 degrees. Okay. See, this is very basic and simple question. But what we need to do here is we need to have some idea that what are the basic concepts. Okay, now we can go ahead. Second question. And what is the second question? Let's say this is a triangle. This is x. This is y. This is x plus y. Okay, it is given. This is the triangle. This is x. This is y. X plus y. If I say find x and y, so it won't be possible because here we can only form one equation, that is sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180. So x plus y plus x plus y. So basically we are summing up this angle. This is this, y, this, and x plus y equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, 2 times x plus 2 times y equals to 180 degrees. I can more simplify it by bringing out 2 common. I can write x plus y equals to 180 degrees, and then I can write x plus y equals to 180 degree divided by 2. Sorry for yawning. 180 degree divided by 2, so it will be equals to x plus y, and it will be 90 degrees. Okay. Now, in this question, it is given that if x equals to 40 degrees, what will be y? So basically, what we can do, we can substitute the value of x here and get y. So if x is 40 degree, the 40 plus y equal to 90 degree, y will be equals to 50 degrees. Okay. So questions are very easy if you are knowing concepts. If you are not knowing concepts, then it will be somewhat difficult. Okay, next question. There is a triangle which, let's say, 140 degrees, 3 degrees. What will this angle? You can pause the video and try to solve if you are able to. Let me name it as x. So what will be x? Solution. See, I can solve it here in itself in the figure. How? Let us see. This is the figure, right? I hope you are able to better. Okay. So if this is 140, see, if we want to find x, we need to have this angle and this angle. If we are having this angle and this angle, then what we can say that sum of the interior angle of the triangle will be equals to 180. Then what we can do, we can subtract this blue, both the blue dots angles from 180 degree, and we can get x. But only the here the problem is we are only having 50. So can we find this angle? Yes, we can find. What will be that? It will be equals to, see, this blue angle and this yellow angle 140 degree. They both are forming. They are both are supplementary angles. So blue angle will be 180 minus 140 degrees. It will be equals to 40 degrees. Okay. So this is 40. This is 50. So what will be x? So x plus 40 plus 50 equals to 180 degrees. So x will be equals to 180 minus 90. Sum of 40 plus 50 is 90. Lead to us to 90 degrees. So the value of x is 90 degrees. Easy. I hope you are able to get what I am trying to tell you. Fine. Now let's solve one more question. these are the two triangles. Okay, this angle is y, this is 60, this is 50, and let's say this angle is 40 degrees. Okay, find y. How will you find y? Pause the screen, try to solve it yourself, and I will start with the solution. Okay, let's zoom in again. Are you able to find? Now, if you want to find y, let's consider this triangle. I will highlight it with a blue color. From here, I'm talking about this triangle. Okay? From here, this is a triangle, and what I'm asking you is the sum of this blue region triangle will be equals to 180-degree, right? But for that, we need this angle, okay? And we are not having this angle. So right now, I will name it. Let's not name it. I will just simply solve it directly. Fine. So we do not have this angle, but we can get this angle because we know that this one, this angle is, they both are supplementary to each other. Okay, so see, if I write 60 plus 50, what will be 60 plus 50? That will be 110 degree. Okay, so can I write here that this angle will be 180-degree minus 60 minus 50? Basically I'm directly subtracting from the sum of all the angles, and it gives us 180 minus 60 minus 50 is 110. 180 minus 110 will be 70 degrees. Okay, 70 degrees. And directly also, now we know that this is 70-degree. So can I write that this angle in the blue region will be, as they both are supplementary, it will be 180 minus 70, and that is equal to 110 degrees. Okay, now we are having this angle as 110. This is 40. So what will be y? So can I write y plus 40 plus 110 equals to 180 degrees? Okay, so what will be y? Y will be equals to 180 minus 150. I'm adding both these two, that is 40 plus 110 will be 150, and dividing subtracting it from 180 degree, and it will give us 40 degrees. Okay, the value of y is 40 degree. So this is the one method you can do it. Secondly, what we can do is, secondly, there is another concept which I would like to discuss right now. Exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of an triangle. Okay, so what does this concept say? If we are having a triangle, okay, this is a triangle, and this side is extended basically. Okay, so if we know this two, let's say this is angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay, if we are knowing angle A and angle B, see, angle A and angle B are interior angle of the triangle, and here this is the exterior angle of the triangle. Okay, this one is called exterior angle, inside ones are called interior angles. So sum of the opposite interior of the angle of the triangle is equals to the exterior angle of the triangle. That means if let's say this is the point D, so angle ACD, this is this angle, will be equals to angle A plus angle B. How does it came? Okay, can I write angle C equals to 180 minus angle A minus angle B? Can I write it like this? Yes, of course I can write, because sum of all these angles will be 180-degree. Fine. Now angle ACD, that is this angle, and angle C, these both are supplementary angles. Okay. it with the concentration, you can see that angle ACD and angle C are supplementary angles, that their sum will be equals to 180 degrees. Now angle ACD will be equals to 180 minus angle C. So 180 minus angle C will be, you can substitute this value of angle C and you will get angle A plus angle B. Okay. So directly in this question, we can skip two parts where we have to subtract one by one. What we can write here directly is angle 50 plus angle 40, sorry, angle 50 plus angle 60 will be equals to this angle, and that will be equals to 110, which we got earlier. And directly afterwards, you can solve it. Okay. So this was the some questions of angles. I will put up a PDF in a video form, and what basically you can do is you can solve those questions. You can let me know if you have any doubt. I can give my mail ID in the description, and uh, I will give few of my links of social media accounts, so you can directly contact me if you are having any doubt. Okay, thank you.